Hey guys, Steve here from Next Gen AI, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a proven $70,000 a month strategy generating AI news articles, all right? So I picked this strategy up from a well-known blogger on Twitter, or X if you will, and right now, as you can see from this screenshot, this is the strategy that they are using, okay? It sounds simple, obviously there's a couple of nuances to it, but let's go through it. So stage one is to find viral trending topics, okay? And what we do is we use AI to create a news article, a brand new, unique news article around the trending viral topic, okay? Then what we do is we share our article, our AI article, onto Facebook, onto social media, and in our email for whatever your business is, okay? And we're going to use the virality of it to drive traffic to your site, and then monetize with, your various different ad networks, Mediavine, Raptive, Ezoic, or your affiliate offers, okay? So this is going to work pretty much in any niche. And what we're going to do first of all is to find those trending viral topics in a certain genre. And what we're going to do then is going to show you two different methods, a completely free way to generate these viral news articles, and then also a completely automated way, a hands-free solution in the second part of this video, okay? So I'm going to use my buddy here, ChatGPT, to write the news article. But first of all, let's go ahead and find some trending topics. So one of the best ways to go and do that is to go to Google Trends, okay? And if you go to trends.google.com and we go to trending now, we can see pretty much, so I've set this to United States. You can change the location completely. Mine was defaulted to Thailand because I live in Bangkok, but I changed it to United States in the past 24 hours, and we can see, what news is hot at the moment, okay? Lots of different news article topics here. So you want to click on all categories and then basically, choose your niche, okay? Whatever your business is in, wherever your blog is in, wherever your community or your website is in, you want to pick from here, okay? So let's go ahead and what should we look at? Food and drink. I'm sick of politics right now, way too much. As we can see, okay, so we've got there's obviously been some ground beef recalled somewhere in the USA. We can also change it to state as well, if you're doing local articles. But here, okay, so this is really interesting. McDonald McRib sauce. So I guess it's that time of the year, right? Once a year when McDonald's released the McRib. So somebody's obviously found out the secret to the McRib sauce. I'm a big Mac man myself, so the McRib doesn't do too much for me. But obviously this is a viral trending topic as of 18 hours ago. So I guarantee if you created some articles or some content around this McRib sauce recipe, that is guaranteed money. People love this kind of stuff. It goes viral, it gets shared, it drives traffic. So the McDonald's McRib sauce, definitely a winner here. So what we can do then is we can go and ask ChatGPT to basically write a news article. So I'm going to show you a very simple prompt that's not going to have very good output, but the majority of people will do something like this. And I'm going to show you an improved prompt, and you'll see the complete difference in the output, okay? So I'm just going to write in here, we could do the McRib. What's kind of topical right now in the US? I think it's RFK Jr. health policies, right? I saw that earlier. What else? Although I did say we're sick of politics, but yeah, let's go with that. Okay, so write a news article on RFK Jr. health policies. Okay. Bad prompt, not specific at all, not giving any context, not asking for any style or structure, but I just kind of wanted you to see what ChatGPT will come up with. And I am using the free version here. I do have a paid plan, but I'm just using 4.0 right now. And as we can see here, it's just quite literally written me a news article on his health policies, vaccine policies, nutritional reform, supplemental nutrition. Okay, I'm already bored reading it, to be honest with you. Not the most interesting of topics to me anyway, but you can see this is not going to go viral. Even though it's a viral topic, this doesn't do anything for me, right? I might as well be reading a PhD. Yeah, doesn't do anything for me. So what we're going to do now is we're going to improve this for social media. So the key to this strategy is we're leveraging a trending viral news topic, creating our own article, and basically jumping on the bandwagon, with it. And so we want something that's going to really capture people's attention, And then obviously the longer they stay and read the article, your monetization will improve. So I'm going to do my improved prompt here. So we're going to say to ChatGPT, write me an engaging and compelling news article on the latest, I spelled that wrong, Robert Kennedy Jr. plans to shake up health in the USA. Okay, start with a viral hook that captures the attention of the reader. This post will be shared on social media sites such as Facebook. Okay, so again, it's a simple prompt, but watch the difference in the output, right? And we'll compare it to the first one, and let's see which one is better or which one grabs the attention. Okay, so here we go. Declares war on big food and pharma, make America healthy again. Okay, already that is much better. Okay, in a bold move that's sending shockwaves through Washington, it's about time we stop subsidizing sickness. Okay, taking on junk food in schools, benefits reform. Okay, you can see how better this is. Just night and day, completely different. What's next as well? Okay, it's even got a CTA, or it's asking you to reply. Absolutely great. Okay, and that was a very simple prompt. We can go ahead and completely improve this, right? We can add quality control, we can extend the topics, etc. Okay, what I'd like to see here is images that are for social media, etc., but obviously you'll have to go and do that manually. All right, now there is an automated way to not only generate news articles like this, but also to put the images in, to put links, put citations, and also drip feed news articles based on trending topics over a period of time. So you could quite literally, in your niche, have a post a day completely hands-free linked to your website. And this is really powerful because it gives people a reason to come back to your site, having like a news section. So I use a tool called, and you've seen this before on my channel, it's called Journalist AI. It's a really awesome AI SEO platform that writes SEO blogs. It also writes Amazon articles, but one of the things it does and does really well is write news articles. Now if you guys sign up through my link below, you get 3 free articles without a credit card, even just 3 free articles to test out. But there is a Black Friday offer, okay, so make sure you use the coupon. I'll put the link below in the description. So I'm inside Journalist AI now, okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, I don't want to create an SEO article for this strategy, for this 70k a month strategy, because the blogger who does this makes 70k a month from their blog, okay, and this is how they do it. So I'm going to click on news, and I'm going to click on AI news, generate AI news article. Okay, now what we can do here is we can search for queries. Okay, so it's giving some suggestions here. For example, write for a broad topic for more diverse results, for example Elon Musk, or write specific topics for more focused results, for example Elon Musk visits Bali, right? Did he? I'm not sure. And then each story will be used to generate a different article, all right? And we can go ahead there and change the content, target country, because you might not live in the US or the UK or Thailand as I do, different formatting. You can add specific sources, okay? And also exclude specific sources, time-based filtering, images, auto-translate, etc., okay? So what we're going to do here is RFK Jr. Health. Okay, this is broad. I'm going to search stories, and it's the AI engine itself is going to give me a list of different news stories based on our keyword. Okay, this is really awesome because you can actually drip feed these news articles to your website, okay, and have them publish 1 a day, 2 a day, 3 a day. It's completely up to you. But the important point is we're piggybacking on trending viral topics, first of all, okay? We can see here, future of vaccines, nominated as health secretary, concerns over blah, 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 okay? So let's click this one, and controversial health stance, okay? People love controversy, right? I'm gonna click done. And I'm then gonna click, so you can't see the button, it's covered by my face, gonna click generate article. And I'm gonna let the AI engine generate an article for me. So we'll just wait for it to do that. Oops, there we go. So it's just generating. It does take a bit longer with the news articles, I've noticed, rather than the SEO articles, which quite literally take like 10 seconds. But let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so this is our news article, all right? And as we can see here, we've got a table of contents. So I've got the SEO score switched off if you were kind of, why is it 0? But this is not an SEO article anyway, but I've got them switched off. And we've got a table of contents. We've even got very nice image of Robert F. Kennedy Jr. there, which is pulled. And we can see key takeaways, vision for healthcare, controversial stances and public reaction, the path ahead, and we've even got multiple different sources, okay? So what we can do is we can actually set this up via the auto blogging feature inside Journalist AI and quite literally have it drip feed news articles in your niche or based on trending viral topics, which you can then send out via social media, via email, or to your customer list, or to your audience. It's completely up to you, okay? But like I say, this is a completely automated way to do it. You give the AI some requirements, and it'll go ahead and it'll pull news topics based on your requirements. So this is the automated, the easy way to do it. Of course, ChatGPT does a fine job as well, but there's a bit more manual work required, and putting in the images and links and stuff like that, etc. Okay, so don't forget, I do have an AI newsletter which I send out every Friday. I'll have all my prompts, have all my tips and tricks. I send out once email a week, so I won't spam you. I'll try to make it as interesting as possible. Also, if you do want to sign up to Journalist AI, make sure to use the discount code, and I'll also throw in some more bonuses for you as well. Go give it a try, guys. It's a really great platform for blogging, for affiliate marketing, for writing news articles. Yeah, there's plenty to get stuck into there. But like I say, this is, I'm not exaggerating when I say 70k a month. The blogger who I pulled the tweet from, she does actually make 70k a month from her blog, and right now this is the strategy she's using, so it's proven. I might do a case study on this in the future. Come back to the channel and let me know how it goes. All right. So once again, that's Steve from NextGen AI, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.